Hey, how's it going? Today I will show you how to get this great and free adult app to your Amazon Fire TV stick. First of all, you have to get an app called Downloader, and there is a really high chance that you already have it on your device. So if that's the case, then just skip to the next part of the video. But if you don't have Downloader yet, or you're not sure how to properly use it or set it up, then watch this part of the video as well. So you can get the Downloader for free from the official Amazon App Store. Just go to search, click on the search bar and start typing Downloader here. So as you can see, it already popped out here for me at the bottom, but if it didn't in your case, then just type in the whole name of the app, which is once again Downloader. Click on it, and here's the app which you need to install. But that's not it, we also have to set it up. So let's go to settings, click on My Fire TV, and here we'll have to enable the developer options on your Firestick. However, if you use a new Firestick or a new Firecube, the developer options might be hidden for you by default. So if that's the case, if you cannot find the developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and then click on the middle button on your remote 7 times. And do it fast. So let's do it. As you can see, for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer, that's in my case. In your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now, so if you just go back a bit, you will finally see the developer options. So open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and turn that option on for the downloader. So what it does, it allows us to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily from the official Amazon App Store, and that's exactly what we're going to do right now. Also, there's one more thing which I really recommend doing before actually using the downloader. To be transparent, it's not mandatory, but I really recommend doing it. It's of course connecting to a VPN. There's a lot of different VPNs out there, but I do recommend NordVPN because they're fast, and they got a great app for Fire Sticks and other devices as well, such as your mobile phones, your laptop, PC, or any other device. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. So what a VPN does, it hides all the things that you do online, so your landlord or your internet provider will not be able to tell what apps, what websites you're accessing online, and that really comes in handy, especially if you're accessing adult apps, like we're going to today. NordVPN is also great for blocking apps, blocking malware, especially when downloading files, and accessing geo-blocked content. So if some content is not available in your country, you can just open VPN, connect to a different location, and you will be able to access that content now. So if you want to get a VPN, you can use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video. If you use my link, you'll get 1 month of NordVPN totally for free, which is a great deal. Once again, using a VPN is not mandatory, but it's a big plus if you don't want your internet provider or your landlord to know what you're doing. And after we got the VPN set up and connected, let's go to the downloader. Here in the search bar, we'll have to type a code, which is going to be 28907. So once again, it's 28907, and then we press on go. Then the website will open, and you have to scroll down a bit until you see a list of categories, and here's the one which you need to click on. Then a list of apps is going to open, and here's the one you need to click on. Then a new web page is going to open, and you have to scroll down a bit, and you gotta keep scrolling until you see those download buttons. Click on install in the right bottom corner, and now after the app is installed, do not press open yet, instead click on done. We're doing it this way so we could delete the installation file, because we don't need it anymore, but it clogs the memory of your Fire TV Stick device. So make sure to always delete those unnecessary installation files. Click on delete and delete once again. Now if you go to the list of apps on your device, you will find this new adult app on your Fire Stick. When you open the app, you'll be asked to use a PIN. So you can set it any PIN, it's basically for your protection, so that your kids won't be able to access the app. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, but of course it's completely up to you. Click on submit then, and it's done. It may also run an update after you stop the app, it's totally fine. And then all you have to do is just select the adult category at the bottom of the app. Good luck!